Have you ever wondered if those bright green edamame beans could be transformed into a crispy, flavorful snack instead of just being boiled or steamed? The answer is yes. Edamame can absolutely be fried, and doing so opens up a whole new world of texture and taste that many people don't expect. Frying edamame adds a satisfying crunch and enhances its naturally nutty flavor, making it a delicious alternative to traditional snacks while still being packed with nutrition. Frying edamame is surprisingly simple and versatile. You can deep fry them, pan fry them with a little oil, or even toss them in an air fryer for a lighter option. The key is to ensure that the beans are properly prepared first. Most people start with shelled edamame or boil them briefly before frying to make sure they're fully cooked. This step not only improves the texture, but also ensures that the beans are soft inside while crisp on the outside. Once fried, the edamame can be seasoned with salt, garlic powder, chili flakes, or even a touch of soy sauce for extra flavor, turning a simple soybean into an irresistible snack. Fried edamame isn't just tasty, it's also surprisingly nutritious. While frying does add a bit of fat, the beans themselves remain rich in protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Each cup of cooked edamame offers about 17 grams of protein and a good dose of fiber, which helps keep you full and satisfied. This makes fried edamame a unique option for those looking for a protein-packed snack that's both indulgent and nourishing. You get the enjoyment of a crunchy, savory treat without resorting to heavily processed chips or high-calorie alternatives. One of the fun things about frying edamame is how creative you can get with seasonings and coatings. Some people like to toss them in cornstarch or a light batter before frying for an extra crispy shell, while others keep it simple with just a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of spices. They can be served as a snack on their own, added to salads for a crunchy topping, or even incorporated into rice bowls or stir-fries for an unexpected texture boost. So, can you fry edamame beans? Absolutely. Frying turns these nutritious, protein-rich soybeans into a crispy, flavorful treat that's perfect for snacking, adding texture to dishes, or experimenting in the kitchen. With a few simple steps, edamame goes from a humble appetizer to a versatile, crave-worthy snack that's as fun to make as it is to eat.